Chapter 1, Adding and Subtracting Whole Numbers. We'll begin with adding whole numbers. Pause the video and try examples 1 and 2. So example 1, we write down the three numbers below each other, making sure the digits are in the correct column. So we add the units first. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 7 is 19. So we write down the 9 and we carry over the 1. You may put it in a different position, but as long as it's in the tens column. We then add 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So we write down the 1 for the 11 and carry 1 over into the hundreds column. We then add the hundreds. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Example 2. Again, we write down the numbers, put the digits in the correct column, and we add. So if we add the units column, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So write down the 6, carry the 1. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Write down the 5 and carry the 1. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 456.